What's up, guys? So right now there's some huge craziness going on with the EV credits. If you buy a new car, you can get a $7,500 credit. If you buy a used car, you can get a $4,000 credit. And if you live in California, you can get a whole lot more. So let's say you buy a new car right now, you can get $7,500 and a tax credit at the end of the year. Now, this is the money that you would normally owe in taxes. So if you have 100,000, you're making 100,000 a year, and say you decide that you're not going to give any money to the government until the end of the year, what you can do is you can put all of that money into your bank account rather than going to the government. And then at the end of the year, the IRS will not deduct that $7,500 because you got that $7,500 as a tax credit. So this is mostly just benefiting people that are making, a little bit more money. It's not really benefiting the poor. And it's not really aimed at them anyway, because $7,500 tax credit only applies to new vehicles. So you have to buy a car that's about $50,000. Most electric cars that are new are in that $50,000 range, unless you buy like a Chevy Bolt, which is still around $32,000. And those are pretty much the only people that are going to really benefit from this tax credit. Now, what they can also do for the people that aren't making as money, you can also buy used. Now, if you buy used, you're only going to get $4,000 tax credit. And this tax credit is kind of good, but the only problem with this is it only works for cars under $25,000. So this is I feel like this is kind of a penalty to the people that are making less money, because this $4,000 is great, but at an electric car under $25,000, you're going to have high mileage and you're going to have just a car that's a bit older. If you want to buy a Tesla, you might be able to find one, but they're going to have like over 100,000 miles and the battery range is going to be pretty much close to being completely depleted. So I feel like these tax credits are really just benefiting like the middle class and upper class. So keep that in mind as you make your purchase. Now, I'm going to put in the link in the description below the full IRS page that talks about this. It's not complicated. It's very simple. It's easy to read. I'll put that in the link below. And I hope you enjoy this video and like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day.